In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Viber is not opening or responding in Windows. So this should be a quick and easy process video. As always, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and restart your computer to see if that fixes the problem. So go ahead, research it, and if you still have a problem with Viber, just go ahead to Settings, check in Settings in the search menu. Then click on Open. After that, just go ahead, click on Apps, and from there, go to the right side. Click on Installed Apps, and here at the Search tab, just type in Viber. Now, after you have done that, just click on the three dots, then click on and install. Now just give it a couple of minutes to uninstall the app. So this process should only take a couple of seconds or minutes, depending on how fast your computer is. So after you have uninstalled the app and you are all good to go. Now, I recommend you to go ahead and reinstall the app from Microsoft Store or from your browser. Now let's go ahead to Microsoft Store, type in Viber. After that, just click on the first option and then go ahead, click on Viber, and then click on Install. So now the app will be installed on your computer, as you can see. So just give it a moment. After it is installed, just go ahead, reopen Viber, and now it should open for you and it should respond. As you can see now, the app is working. So this was an easy and quick process video as always. Thank you for watching.